Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Tuesday. Today we are going to be doing another one of my ReHaul videos. This particular concept for this video basically revolves around me going back in time on my channel and picking a haul from either 4 years ago, 2 years ago, 6 months ago. And what I do is I watch the video, I write down everything that I had in that particular haul, I look through my collection, and I figure out what happened to those products over time. So the purpose of this is to figure out whether I returned anything, whether I used anything up, whether I gave anything away, or whether it is still living in my LX9 drawer over here to my left. And if I'm still enjoying the products to this day. So today we're actually not going that far back in time. We are going back to October, November 2018. So we are talking about the Sephora Friends and Family sale, as well as the Sephora VIB sale. I just kind of, there's a couple things that I actually finished, and it's always nice to finish things, especially from a more recent haul. So I just feel like I can give some good thoughts on these things that I purchased. So there's 2 separate videos. I will link both of the original videos down below. And I'm gonna take you guys through and let you know what the heck happened to the stuff. So we're gonna start with the Friends and Family sale, and my friend Emmy from Emmy Loves Makeup on Instagram, she usually includes me on her friends and family list every year, which I really appreciate. So it gives me the opportunity to sometimes shop the holiday stuff a little bit early, because usually friends and family is in October sometime. So I've got my little list here. For this particular one, I didn't purchase a whole lot, but there were some great things in this particular haul. So the first thing that I got was the VIB Ghost Oil Kit. So that included a full-size shampoo and conditioner of the VIB Ghost shampoo and conditioner. And then it included a like a full size of the Ghost Oil. So I used up the shampoo and conditioner and loved it. I will totally repurchase that at some point, and I would love to get it in a larger size. I do think it's available in a liter size, although don't quote me on that. And I am halfway through. I am to right here on this bottle, so the halfway point of using the Ghost Oil. You guys, this is an amazing oil. I love this oil as well. This next holiday time, if they put out another kit, or if there's a similar kit available right now, I will link it down below. Anything that is currently available or that has a similar like availability to what I originally bought, like if there's a similar package or whatever, I will link that down below. But yes, 100% the shampoo and conditioner I would repurchase. I would repurchase this Ghost Oil. This is fantastic in my hair. It does not weigh it down. It hydrates it beautifully. This is an amazing hair oil. If you normally shy away from them because you have fine, thin hair like I do, I use 1 pump of this in with my either, right now I'm using mostly the Amika Color Lock leave-in conditioner, or usually I go with the Pureology Hair Beautifier leave-in conditioner product. I will mix a pump in with that as well. And it just, I feel like it protects my hair. I feel like it hydrates my hair. It makes it look really shiny and soft and silky, and this is amazing. So 100% this will be a repurchase for me. And the shampoo and conditioner, they're already gone because they were that good that I just kept using them. So the second item that I actually also finished from that haul is a face powder, and you will have already seen it in an empties video. It was the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting powder. I'll link it down below. Incredible product. Loved it. Blurs your pores, makes my skin look absolutely flawless. Great translucent powder. The only thing is, I feel like it went really fast. Now, I did use it very consistently. I did not use a super fluffy brush with it. I was usually using something like this. This is a Real Techniques Blue Squirrel brush. So like soft synthetic bristles. So it really didn't pick up a ton of product, but I feel like I just went through it very quickly. Would I repurchase it? Yes, absolutely. I will repurchase it, but it's the type of product where I see myself waiting for some kind of sale, because I certainly have some backup powders that I need to go through anyway in the meantime. But it is amazing. If you're in the market for a new blurring, translucent, pressed setting type powder, check that one out if you're willing to splurge on it. It's wonderful. Also from that haul was this beautiful blush duo, which I love. It is the Coquette blush duo from Jouer. I certainly want to get a couple more of these. I think there is one that is kind of like two peachy shades. I can't remember what it's called. Adore Me, maybe? Is that, either that's the name of the duo or it is the name of one of the shades in there. Doesn't matter. Point is, I love this one. It's amazing. Perfect, like spring colors right here for sure. So I can see myself pulling this out again for my next Shop My Stash, because I'm kind of craving this this combination of Seduce Me and Tease Me from this. Amazing blush formulation. Stays put on my oily skin like a champ. All right, Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. Love this. Used quite a bit of it. I am down to right here on this bottle, so definitely not quite the halfway point, but probably, yeah, I would say like a third of the way through it. I really like this product a lot. This is a combination of an AHA and I believe there's also BHA in here, although they don't really mention it on the label. I compared this to a Paula's Choice AHA as well as the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboose. I do think this is a really great product. It is very effective. If you've never tried either of the other two, this is a great one to go with. I feel like it's very gentle. And I've heard other people say good things about this as well. So if you've always been interested in it, I've really enjoyed using it. And once I finish, there are two Paula's Choice AHA products that I have on my kind of regular rotation because I'm doing a panning challenge for skincare this year. So I'm trying to finish those up. But as soon as those are gone, this will come out and replace those two for sure. And then in that haul, I also shared the Viseart Grand Pro one, which I want to say, was it... I think I bought it first at Beautylish, and then I ended up returning it to Beautylish because I paid $175 for like the limited edition packaging. And it came to Sephora a couple weeks later for $150 in this packaging, which was not the limited edition packaging, but it worked great. And I had the 20% off, so I got it for like 120 bucks. So basically, it was worth it for me to return the one to Beautylish. I don't like doing stuff like that normally, but it was a significant enough price difference to where I couldn't justify keeping the limited edition packaging. But anyway, so then here it is. You guys know that I love this. It's obviously still available. It's permanent to their collection. It's $150 without being on sale. It is worth every penny, you guys. This is an eyeshadow palette that I reach for so frequently. I realize that is a lot of money to shell out, but the price per shadow is actually very reasonable per shadow. But I do realize you gotta buy all of them, which makes it a price point of $150, and that is not attainable to most people. Viseart does obviously have some smaller eyeshadow collections available. I'll be linking this obviously at Sephora down below. So I don't have anything sad or bad to say about their formulation from any of the Viseart palettes that I have purchased since. it's an amazing formula. They have some 6-pan palette options. They have their little petite pros. They have, you know, this style of palettes as well. Some of the shadows that come in the style like this and the petite are obviously a little bit smaller in size, but still a good amount of product in there. Anyway, I love this with all of my heart and soul. And if I lost it, I'd replace it in a heartbeat without waiting for a sale. That is how much I love this palette. That is a game changer for me. All right, and then let's get into the actual VIB sale haul. I have that pulled up on my phone here. So, oh shoot, I forgot to pull this out. But one of the first things I bought was the Sol de Janeiro Biggie Biggie Bum Bum Cream. So it was the Sol de Janeiro limited edition, like double the size of the Bum Bum Cream. I still have it in my backup stash. I haven't even gotten to it yet, but you guys know that I love the Bum Bum Cream. I absolutely adore it. And when I saw they came out with this huge size with the little like surfboard, I had to have it. That is no longer available, but obviously the regular sizes are always available at Sephora. The Velispa Santiago Huckleberry candle. Okay, here it is. I did an in-depth review of this. I love the scent. I think it's a beautiful scent. However, it's not the best burning candle. It definitely leaves some residue, and it's not the strongest either. I would not see myself repurchasing this in the future unless I was able to get it in a different format where it wasn't as hard for the scent to get out of this container. I just feel like the opening is not big enough to really release this scent, and I feel like this would be better as a 2-wick. All in all, it's a lovely scent, and if you like more faint type fragrances, this might be a good one to try, but I don't see myself repurchasing in this particular packaging. Maybe they have tins that have either 3 or 4 wicks. I would try one of those next over this, but I would definitely try the scent again, just in a stronger format. Also from that haul, there was another candle purchase, the Nest Festive Petite Holiday Trio. So this is the one from this past year. Each year Nest puts this set out at Sephora and other places. You can see one of the candles is missing. It's the Sparkling Cassis. It is downstairs in my dining room. It is more of a spring-summer scent to me. Also in here is Birchwood Pine and Holiday, 2 of my favorite holiday scents. Just incredible. I obviously did not get to these 2 because I had some other ones that I purchased from a special online that was the year before's packaging, if that makes sense. So I just used those up first because those candles were a little bit older. But anyway, I have this for this upcoming holiday season, and I cannot recommend these 2 scents enough, Holiday and Birchwood Pine. We are obviously well out of the holiday season, but you know I'll be recommending those scents again coming up this holiday season this year. Let's talk about some Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. Okay, first I purchased 2. The Charlotte Tilbury Kissing Lipstick in Penelope Pink. Hated that formula. That went back very quickly. It accentuated all of the apparent wrinkles and lines that I have on my lips. It just didn't sit well on my lips. The color was very pretty, beautiful kind of baby pink. If that color was available in this formula, which is her Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick. This is the color Pillow Talk. I love this. You've seen this many times. Everybody loves Pillow Talk because it's just such a gorgeous color. This is a very comfortable matte lipstick. I love it. And I would definitely repurchase it. If there were other colors in that particular lineup, that Matte Revolution lipstick lineup, I would certainly grab them, but none of the other colors really scream my name. So if she expands the range, 100% I would get more, and I would repurchase that one if I lost it. I also picked up the Becca Glow Gloss in Opal. That is actually in my purse. Loving using that. Those glow glosses are really nice, you guys. The Opal is a beautiful kind of pinky nude shade. Gorgeous. Highly recommend it. There are other shades within that range if you don't like the shade Opal. They just apply really beautifully. They're very moisturizing, hydrating types of glosses. They're not overly sticky. They're just a really nice formula. And the packaging is cute. It's just very basic. The wand is nice to apply. I feel like because it's such a like light pink nudie shade, I don't always need to look in the mirror to apply it. I can just kind of smear it on and, you know, press my lips together, and if it goes a little bit outside my lip line, it doesn't matter because there isn't like a ton of like pigment to it. It's just a beautiful like nude glow to my lips. Amazing formula. And was that it? I think that was it. Yep. My wish list was a little bit different because you know how I do those wish lists every like, it's usually about 3 to 4 weeks before the sale starts. I'll kind of go through and start making like a shopping list. And I definitely changed quite a number of things. I remember that from this video, but yeah, that's my rehaul. So I finished a few things, I returned one thing, and the rest of the stuff is still living in my collection. I'm still enjoying it. Really the only like semi-regret, and I wouldn't return it because I like the scent, but had I known that this format wasn't super great in terms of strength and throw, I would have probably not bought this, but I do like the scent. And since I like the scent, you know, this will probably be better in like a smaller bathroom or something like that. So I'll just probably finish it there because I think I'll be able to smell it a little bit better. This would actually be nice downstairs in my guest bath, so I might put this down there. But yeah, that's my rehaul. I will, like I said, anything that I can link, I'll link down below for you. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with everything that I bought this last go around at the Sephora VIB sale. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.